I'd catch the mouse. Easy. On guard, Mousy. Ah! Huh? Is that you, Mousy?
Milady, Pilu, I'll give you a clue. You guess the cat.
I don't know, Lampo.
Come on, you really can't guess?
Gas, the stinky cat.
Hello, milady. Hi, Pilu. Have fun.
Hi, Gas. Have a nice day. Catch-a-race is
I get it, Meatball. You want to turn playing cat charades. Is it a big animal? An elephant?
A dinosaur.
A mouse! A giant mouse! It's in the kitchen!
Meatball, there's no such thing as a giant mouse. You should know. They're tiny. And... Oh, my whiskers! I knew it. There's no such thing as a giant mouse. But we do have a small guest in our house. Aha! There you are.
Don't come any closer.
Don't be scared, Mousy. We don't want to hurt you. If you're hungry, just ask. Especially if you're hungry for noodles. Huh?
I'm not hungry.
Then tell us what's bothering you. Consider us your furry fellows.
My name is Tap Tap. I'm here looking for help. To save my children, Tick, Tack, and Toe. We crossed paths with 3 ratty cats who tried to grab us. Run for cover! I got the 3 cats to chase me so Tic Tac and Toe could hide in a safe place. I managed to lose them, and then I came here looking for help. But I don't know if you cats would be willing to help a mouse.
We're the Buffy Cats. We always help those in need.
That's right, Lampo. Don't worry, Tap Tap. We'll help you save Tic Tac and Toe.
Oh, thank you! You are my furry fellows!
Subscribe to the channel.